Hello everybody. Larry here with Slots of Oklahoma. I have never played this game before. It is called Crazy Chickens. If you've played this, leave a comment and let me know how you did on it or what you thought of it. Sorry about that. My camera got stuck in the chair legs. I do know that it will have eggs on the screen that go up to the chickens, and it is perceived progression. It did say in the rules that the height of the chickens is only a perceived progression. Those little jobbers there. Other than that, I didn't quite catch everything, but we'll give her a try here and see what it is. I'm going to go to a 2-cent denomination. I got $603 loaded in. We're going to start it out on $1.50 spin, $1.50 credits, which is $3 a spin. I got 600 in the machine. Turn that up a little bit so we can hear it. Oh, don't tell me that the button doesn't work. I didn't want to fast stop that. Like I said, I've never played this game before. So those eggs with the credit amounts goes up to the respective color. Apparently the rooster is wild, so I got cows. For $12. And I'm assuming that if you got 6 of those, like all the other progression games, it'll set off your chicken. Wild. The rooster is wild. Come on, crazy chicken. Get crazy on me. $3 a spin. It goes pretty fast. I'm going to drop it to 75 cents a spin. Let's do this. Let's try the 1-cent denomination at $1.50. Is he going to go? All the way to the top and doesn't go. What a tease. Come on, crazy chicken. Let's see what you got. Lay me some eggs or something here. Oh, it would have been nice to have that rooster there with those queens. Come on, crazy chicken. I'm thinking I want to get out at 500, so it needs to do something. Go to 75 cents. Couple more spins here, guys. Crazy Chicken's just not getting it for me. I'm going to cash out. That's just how gambling goes. That's how slot machines are. Sometimes they'll hit for you right away, and sometimes they won't. $100 in. That's as much as I want to. That's as much as I want to put into that game. Thanks a lot, guys. Goodbye now. Hey, everybody. Larry here with Slots of Oklahoma. I am here at Osage Casino in Skiatook, Oklahoma. I am going to play a Phoenix Link Sensei Master. If you look up here, there's a counter up here, and it says a feature must be won before 1,888, and it is at 1,198. Now it's got a long ways to go to the 1,800, but between all the other machines, it is the closest one to that 1,800. So I'm going to play it rather than the other ones. The major is all about the same. It's $516. On the 5-cent denomination, it's a $50 mini and a $250 minor. If I lower my bet, if I lower my denomination, then this number up here changes. It goes down to 936. So I'm going to play it on the 5-cent denomination at 25 credits, which would be $1.25 a spin. And I got 500 loaded into the machine. Let's just see if we can't hit something real quick. Hit it and get it out. So let's here we go. Come on, Sensei. Let's do this early. $1.25 a spin. We need 6 of the Fire Phoenixes. We need 3 of this symbol here for free games. There we go, one more. Yes. Okay, guys, that's pretty early. All right, now we're going to get into some free games, and we can get a bonus within that bonus. Usually there are multipliers on these free spins like this, so we'll see what it is here. Come on. Yes, there is a multiplier. So I got a coin shower on that one. 2 times 2 times 2 times on the karate guy, which is $50. Free spin? Nope. I'll take a bonus and a bonus. Come on. Oh, look at there. That's a ribbon win, but not a coin shower, but that's okay. I got 1 spin left. Need a re-trigger or 6 Phoenix. Well, we got $64.80 out of that. Started at 500. He's a expanding wild, $2.75. We're still looking for 6 Phoenixes. The minor's $250. One more. It's close, guys. Three more. Come on. $1.50. Got a quarter more than my bet. Three more. Come on, three more. I want 6 phoenixes. I want to get that hold and spin feature. At 5 cents credit. Three more. What triggers the, as you get these, that's what triggers the numbers up on the feature must hit by. And I believe it's free spins is what it'll give you. These Phoenix links are pretty tough. Three, come on. Go. Come on, Sensei. Three more. One more. Come on. Oh. I'm not going to go any farther than 500, guys. I don't think I'll go any farther than 500. Give us a little bit of ammo. $15 more. It's not a bad line hit. 4, come on. Go. We got those free spins early, but I really haven't gotten anything since. 4, 4, 4. $5 to die. Another 5. One more, come on. We need a line hit here. Need something. Getting close to my 500. I don't really want to go up past 500. Last spin, 500. Come on. Oh. I don't think I'm going to go any farther, guys. There's no reason in putting in more than $100. Thanks again for watching. Goodbye now.
I really want to thank you for watching my video. And if you click on that playlist, you can see more of my videos to watch. And if you want to click on the one that they suggest, that would be great also. To subscribe, all you need to do is click on my picture. I would really appreciate that. Have a great lucky day.